other tea? The pink one? No? The tea last night, I feel well because of the tea. Yeah. My heart is, my stomach feels well. Take a bite, kuya. Yeah, you must not eat. Take care of mommy. Good job. Because of that, oh, they take a bite. Thank you so much. Si Kuya V also massage my head last time, sabi niya. Ganun. You massage my head like,
I opened the tina. Tata, I opened up. Tata, I got it on the hot water.
ay, ikaw ba naglagay ng hot water? Or si daddy?
Ako. Tata, I gave it to you.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
kaya ko si dad naglagay ng hot water. Next time, alam pag hot water, it's dangerous for kids eh. Ah, baka ma-spilled ka with hot water. Take a bite, kuya. Kuya, take a bite.